Hey, this is Hal at Garrett's Golf Cars. Just want to take a moment to tell you about how this company, what we cut our teeth on, so to speak. We cut our teeth on selling used product, off-lease product, to consumers at discounted prices, i.e. Garrett's Discount Golf Cars. We would get golf cars off the course and then we would refurb them and make them look what the customer needed for their use, whether it was riding in the neighborhood, riding around the farm, whatever the case may be, and we would modify the car for that. So today I want to show you two examples of this. This particular golf cart came off the golf course silver in color. Well, the customer wanted head and tail lights on it, which we installed on this cart. So it's got LED head and tail lights. Well, the customer says, I don't like those golf cart tires and wheels on it. So we installed a 12-inch aluminum wheel with a radial type tire. And we took the old windshield, threw it in the garbage, and attached a brand new windshield. The seats would have been a stone color, which were probably fine for driving around and fairly durable, but they didn't have the look that the customer wanted, so the customer wanted some more stylish customized seat cushions. They didn't want to use it for golf. They wanted to use it around the home, haul their kids and their groceries and stuff, so we installed a rear folding seat. So when you travel around and you see golf carts now, especially on the consumer side, most every cart you see is based on a cart like this. Head and tail lights, rear seat belts now, but I also wanted to show you this is a used lithium cart. So what we'll do is we'll sell this car, we'll plug the handheld computer into this cart, find out how many amp hours are left, and typically we'll sell this cart with a 1-year warranty with the lithium. So it's a great introduction to a lithium battery powered golf cart. So bye-bye lead acid batteries. Now, this one I'm going to show you is based on the same model with a few more accessories. One would be, we took that silver body off and we put a charcoal gray body on it. The reason these are popular is this is a brand new charcoal gray body and it's blemish free. So the customer is driving around the neighborhood, looks like they're in a brand new car. Although they're still in a used golf cart, they've got a brand new body on it. They wanted a different color seat. They added this custom brown seat as opposed to the custom black seat. This seat kit is kind of what we would consider our more, let me pull this up a second where we can see that. The seat kit on this is a kind of more of a custom seat kit made of plastic, and the reason we ended up in this type of construction is because the tread plate on a lot of our seat kits were receiving some surface rust from the beach and things like that. But all of these seat kits flip over, make a flatbed deck. This particular one actually has a little armrest, put stuff in there. But this is another popular version of a used car, what we would term a refurb. That car is what we say is just kind of an off-course car. Both of them would have a 1-year warranty, existing lithium battery. Thank you.